Hey boy, come on right around. Starting into the door, we're standing with a bottle of red wine, ready to pour. Just still all excited, they stood to the floor. So when they hit, then we sat down, started kissing, caressing. They told me about jacuzzi, sounding interesting. So we jumped right in. All calls they burn it to answer phone. Me and her parents were kind of cool, but they were the fine how between me and you. We were just doing things young people in the do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to. Saying why were you creeping around late last night? Two shadows moving in the bedroom. Dressed in black, dressed in when you feel me here. Calls never heard to answer phone. Red wine bottle and the contents gone. Midnight return, jacuzzi turned on. Can you feel me here? Whenever the coast was clear and she'd ask me to come out, I'd say, hey girl, come on right around. So she went to the door, I was standing with the keys in my hand to the door. Jumped to my right, checking that nobody saw, yeah. We got down to the rhythm, so it was her. Oh, we better be leaving. Gave you my jacket for you to hold. Told you to wear it cause you felt cold, yo. I mean, me and her didn't mean to break the rules. I weren't trying to play your mom and dad for fools. We were just doing things young people in love do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to. Why did you keep the promises? No, all by 12 strong living that far. I wait till the girls were leaving on the next door. Can you feel me here? Wearing a jacket whose colors said you were queuing for a taxi. You left all your money on the TV. Feel me here? All they seem to do is be checking up